We will begin by reviewing the maintenance configuration. Once the UPS supporting the selected ESXi host experiences a power event, IPM will trigger maintenance mode. As maintenance mode initiates, VMware's vMotion tool will migrate all of the virtual machines onto the other available ESXi hosts. In order to set the parameters, start from the IPM Views screen. Select the folder titled Management and click on the option for Node Settings. Choose the VMware ESXi host that you would like to configure. Once selected, the Node Configuration pane will open to the far right of the screen. By clicking the pencil icon, you will activate the ability to edit the parameters. The parameters selected will enable IPM to take action and trigger maintenance mode. We will discuss each only as needed per the specific shutdown configuration. The maintenance configuration will need the following parameters set. Power source. Select the IP address of the UPS which powers your host. Load segment. Designate the output receptacle which the host node is connected to the UPS. Typically, this will be the master segment. Remote maintenance. Enable remote maintenance. Enable this option to grant IPM permission to trigger the maintenance mode and migrate VMs from the selected host to the other available hosts. Maintenance timer. Enter an amount of time in seconds which will dictate the length of time IPM will delay sending the signal to enter maintenance mode and begin migrating virtual machines from the designated host. Click Apply to activate the settings. In order to rename the specific parameter configuration created for the maintenance setting, click on the drop-down menu beside Configurations, located at the top right of the pane. Select the option Rename Configuration. Once the pop-up box opens, enter your desired name for the labeling configuration. Click Save. The configuration will be saved within the Node Configuration drop-down menu. Once a shutdown setting configuration has been created or modified, an icon will appear in the shape of a not equal sign. The symbol illustrates that the new configuration isn't synchronized with the node. You will need to click on the Synchronize button and confirmation box as shown. The following is a demonstration of the maintenance mode configuration activated. The UPS supporting the host ESXi server has encountered a power event and the timer has met the threshold. A warning icon will appear beside the affected host as maintenance mode is activated. The virtual machines located on the host will begin to migrate to the other available host to remain active. As the VMs complete their migration, they are removed from the affected host. For example, let's watch the VM titled ACD-6. Once the migration is completed, you can see it disappear from the host folder. The result of the host being placed in maintenance mode shows an empty host folder with the VMs migrated into available hosts. VMs will automatically migrate back onto the host once the power event has been resolved. Now we will view the pane for the vSphere web client. The summary shown illustrates that there are not any errors present. The web client will not refresh on its own, so you must refresh the screen in order to view the changes. Once refreshed, the power source will display the warning by changing the 0 to a 1 in the warning column. There will also be a warning displayed stating host UPS power has failed. As a power event is resolved, you can see the summary return to an error-free state by refreshing the web browser. For more information, please visit our website at eaton.com/powerquality.